And just like that, I'm a bad bitch again.
And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in a div. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like it all. She gets down just like it all. Burn the blood, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Now she is so.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room.
If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I am Bridget Michelle, hence the name. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Excuse the noise in the background, it is raining, but I am currently on my way to an appointment because my birthday is next week. And obviously we have to prep for it. So I started off with getting my nails done yesterday. Look, they're so cute. I took y'all along with me, but it was quite loud in there, so I didn't really do much recording. But we're about to go get my lashes done, and then I believe either tomorrow or Friday I'm gonna be getting my hair done. So I just wanted to bring y'all along with me. I need to get my lashes done, get my hair done. I need to pick an outfit for my birthday brunch, and I think that's all for now. We'll figure it out as the video goes along, but obviously I just spent my birthday with y'all because where else would I be spending it? Like, what else would I be doing? But your girl is turning 23. Jordan year. I'm super excited, even though I really didn't want to celebrate this year. Like, my best friends, they're not making me celebrate, but they like kind of encouraged me to do it. So we're celebrating. We're going to brunch, and then I'm going to dinner on my birthday because it's on a Tuesday this year. Like, ew. Going to dinner on my birthday, and then I want to go drunk bowling on next Friday. So it's going to be a 2-part series, but let's go because my appointment is an hour away and it's 4:10. So
she wasn't on a runner, she wanted on a runner. See the dark skin girls with a light skin crew. Paris to you. She the light skin girl with a light skin crew. Count on the 3 house to say this bitch knows like it all. She gets down just like it all. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Back in this away.
and just like that, I'm a bad bitch again. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Okay, actually, y'all might be able to tell me a little something because my hair looks a mess. But we're not talking about the hair right now. Like, do y'all see the lashes? Delisa eats every single time. Like, no complaints, no nothing. Just mwah, chef's kiss. But I'm getting my hair done. I might have lied to y'all. I'm getting my hair done either tomorrow or Sunday. one of those days. Which one it's gonna be, I'm not 100% sure right now, but I'm just in love with my lashes at this point, so it don't even matter. Like, I don't even care. Like, the lashes, the lashes and the nails are done, and that's really all that matters to me right now. But when I get that hair done, y'all can't tell me nothing, because you know what it is. It's a big gym season. To all my fellow Geminis, fuck everybody else. And I know y'all really felt that when I said it, because that's really how Geminis feel. Like, everybody be attacking us, it be so unwarranted. But when we start saying something, it be a problem. So, big Gemini season. Can't wait to see everybody else for their birthday. Happy birthday.
Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I love.
Hey guys, today is Sunday, Monday, and we are on the last piece of the puzzle. This hair, look a mess. I gotta get a color, and I'm gonna surprise y'all for the style that I'm getting, so y'all will see that when I'm done. But I'm excited. It's my birthday. Well, today's not my birthday. My birthday's on Tuesday, but we're celebrating my birthday today. So I'm excited. In my birthday. Hey. Okay, so what time is it? It is currently 8:55, and I need to be there at 5. Let's try that again. It's currently 8:55, and I need to be there at 9. So let's get going, because I'm ready to get my hair done. Yes, that's why I said I know what it means, because they be saying that all the time. Okay, so I did a thing and I cut my hair. Y'all, this was not the plan at all. When I tell you this was not my plan for my hair at all, I literally wanted a ponytail, but the person who does my hair was not there today. Like, threw me for a complete loop. But now I'm a Babiana princess. What do y'all think? Y'all like it? I hope y'all like it, because it's staying. But anywho, it's 1:49 and I was supposed to be at home at 1:30 because I need to get ready so I can get picked up to go to brunch. And yeah, but I'm gonna end this vlog here because we're starting a new one for my birthday. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Love you. Mwah.